Horizonte has had a massively busy year. In the sustainability area, we've had two really key milestones. The first is publishing the feasibility study to international standards, and the second has been to take the Araguaia project to construction-ready phase. So we have now got all key permits in place to start building the mine. The main challenge that we faced was to bridge Brazilian regulations with the international standard framework. And we achieved this through the right mix of professionals and integrating the team across the local specialists, the Brazilian nationals and international consultants and owners team. So if we were to take stage one of Araguaia, one rotary kiln electric furnace process line, 14,500 tonnes of nickel each year, we're talking about over $700 million that will be injected into the community throughout the life of mine. That's around 2.5 billion reais. And in terms of jobs, around 1,000 jobs in the construction phase and 500 jobs in the operational phase. So we believe that the Araguaia project has the potential to change the entire social fabric of the region. And we're working collaboratively with the community to ensure that this has a positive and lasting change. We've been working and engaging with the local community, the local government and the state government for many years in the region. And Araguaia is really perceived as the economic driver for the region. Around half of the population live below the poverty line, and the Araguaia project has the potential to change the lives of not only future employees and their families, but as well as the community, and that's through the implementation of programs that are well aligned with the UN Sustainable Development Goals, and that's what we're working towards. Every mining project is different. Our main takeaway is that engagement from the early stages is really important. We've engaged the community right from the early stages of exploration at Araguaia. And through engagement, we've been able to develop programs that are closely aligned with the community and with the local environment. So if we take water extraction for an example, in the north of Brazil, the water is very seasonal, rainy season and dry season. And we've adjusted the water balance to ensure that we take more water in the wet season, less in the dry season, and then we have a closed water circuit system to maximise recycling of the water. The main focus today has been around planning, and we need to take this to the implementation stage, which is something I'm really excited about because we're going to see our plans in practice. So we're going to be ramping up our socioeconomic activities and our engagement with the community and actually implementing those plans. The community is starting to see us be a lot more active on topics such as education, safety and economic development. An example of one of our community projects is the Greenhouse Project, where we're working with the local farmers to rehabilitate streams and springs regionally, and we're also supplementing income through the donation of local crop growing trees. I'm really excited about this stage of the project. This is the implementation stage, the thing that I'm most passionate about. So all the planning is in place to implement good sustainable development programs, and now we get to see that happen in the real world. Job creation, health, sustainable development. We've been working with the community for over 4 years, and it's an absolute pleasure to continue to work with them to see them progress and develop into a sustainable future.